just know I'ma be a legend. Ain't no telling when, but yeah, just know.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for being part of this family, and if you are new here, thank you for joining us, where I give you DIY techniques on everything life, and I say you do it yourself. Now, I've been promising you guys a bedroom makeover. As you know, last week we started with the first part of it. I had said it's going to be a twofold video. I started with the headboard upholstery. So today I am finally bringing the whole bedroom makeover. If you haven't seen how I do some of the videos that I mentioned, I will put them in the description box so you can go and watch those videos if you haven't already. Guys, it was a very exciting project. I don't want to rubble on too much, talk too much. I'm just gonna, let the room do the talking. So enjoy, guys. I hope that you do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this makeover, and yes, hope to see you next time. This is how the room currently looks like. This is one of my spare bedrooms that I want to transform. This here is one of the paintings I did, so I have that up there. I'm not sure how it's going to look after, so this might still be here or it might not, but we'll see. And we have this headboard. Now, when I got this bed, this is when these sleigh beds were still in fashion, and it was cool to have these, but I'm so tired of this dark wood, so I'm going to be working on this headboard and upholstering it. Come here. Let me show you what I'm doing. Another thing is the curtain. Don't judge me, the curtain is actually blue, but I think I want to do a longer curtain rail and change the curtaining here too. So I went and did a haul, Pep Home haul. I'm so excited by the items I got there. I managed to get this plant here. I love orchids, so I got that for a bit of color. These cushions, I don't know if you guys can see the detailing on these. Yes, love, love, love. I am totally crazy about this curtain. So guys, Pep Home, I'm completely crazy about this curtain. I'm not sure if you guys can really see this clearly, but it just is what I need. So yeah, go to Pep Home. Don't discredit it before you see it or you see what they have, because they do have some pretty good stuff. So the curtain is up and I am totally loving it. When I moved to my first apartment, I got this painting. I totally love it. So I moved it from the other spare bedroom into here. I also want to work on these. I bought these from those men who sell on the side of the road. I don't want this woody, like I just don't want any woody feel. If you guys would like to see how I made this bottle, then watch one of my videos. It's called Glass Bottle Decor. You'll see how I turned, this was a wine bottle and I turned it to this. So watch that to see how I made this baby here. And this is all from Pep Home. This was in our lounge. I had 2 carpets. I had layered them, so it wasn't necessary to have the 2 layers, and now I moved it here. Behind the door here, I have this space that I think I could better utilize. I have this red chair there with a throw for the guests. I think I could actually do something here, but I'm not sure yet what. But I think I could make way better use of the space than I actually am right now. So watch the space. This will be something I actually just thought about it now, shooting this, something that I can think about for this makeover that I'm currently doing. So yeah, we'll see what I actually end up doing with this little space here. So this is what I decided to do behind the door. This was my side table in my bedroom, but I'm gonna redo the bedroom, so I moved it here. And these were also on my wall, but because I'm gonna do my own makeover in my bedroom, I've decided to move this because yes. So guys, look out for yet another bedroom makeover, completely different. I decided to do this because I usually do my work in the lounge by the dining table. So this is gonna be my new work area, away from my son who loves to stress me.